Let me show you how to fix the camera if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're using the camera either in an app or just the standalone camera, but it's not working for you, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that you can do is swipe up. If you have the camera app currently open, let's just close out of it and close out of all of the apps that are currently open. The next thing we'll do is check a couple things within the settings. First, we need to make sure there's no issues with that camera app itself. So you can see within your iPhone storage, we're going to check two things. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to search for the camera app in here and make sure the app size and documents looks about this size and there's no issues with them. It doesn't pop up with any issues. You're also going to go back out of here and you're going to check your iPhone storage. Sometimes the camera won't work very well because your iPhone runs out of space. So you need to make sure that you have something like a couple hundred megabytes left of space. If that looks good, the next thing that we're going to do is go back to the very beginning of your settings. We're going to go down to camera here, and I would recommend if there's an issue with recording video or something like that, try to toggle a setting to different, say 4K to 1080p or vice versa. And then also from here under preserve settings, we want to make sure all of these are turned off, except for the portrait zoom and live photo. Make sure all of these are turned off. These can mess up stuff if they're changed in your settings. Now, if you go through these steps and it's still an issue for you, you can try to force restart your phone. But first, we will just check if there's a software update. A lot of times bugs and glitches are fixed through a software update. Or you can go through and transfer and reset and then go to reset. And we can reset all of the settings on your phone. This a lot of times fixes issues with your camera not working because there's some issues with your settings. Now, before you do those, I would also recommend doing a force restart. So to do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo. So I'll show you how to do it. So volume up, volume down, and then I'm going to press and hold that side button until I see that Apple logo appear. Just ignore the slide to power off and you'll see the screen goes completely black. And then after that, you'll be able to see that Apple logo and then you can take your finger off. This force restarts your phone, fixes a ton of bugs and glitches on your iPhone.